80 feet below Liberty Street sits $400 billion in gold, and the only thing separating you from it is the chemistry happening inches behind your eyes. Same brain, same chemistry, different context. And right now, yours is being robbed every single day. Source, Dr. Anna Lemke, Stanford School of Medicine, book, Dopamine Nation. In America right now, in 2026, the gap between a millionaire brain and a billionaire brain is in IQ. It's not luck, it's not pedigree, it's a chemical loophole. And the rich found it first. 3 dopamine lies. 3-phase rewire. Your brain on $1 million versus $1 billion. Starts now. Lie number 1. The I deserve it lie. $7 latte. Hard day. Brain says yes. Dopamine fires. Reward logged. But here's the brutal math. $7 a day, compounded at the S&P 500's 10.5% historical average for 40 years, equates to $1.37 million. Your dopamine hit and reward circuit just traded $1 million retirement for a hot drink, and it felt so good at the time of sipping that coffee. Lie number 2. The status purchase equals status life lie. $400,000 supercar. Times Square. Friday night. Brain says, I made it. Pull the receipts. The median Forbes 400 member drives a 4-year-old domestic sedan. On paper, you both own the car. In reality, only one of you is rich on Monday. Lie number 3. The boss fight. The I'll feel rich when lie. Here's what neuroscience confirmed in 1998. Dopamine fires on prediction, not receipt. The hit you got picturing the $1 million, that was the reward. When the money finally lands, just silence. No spike, no high, worth everything, feeling nothing. 3 lies, 1 system, same brain, same chemistry, different context. The difference isn't what you earned, it's what your brain is trained to reward. Here's where it gets dangerous. The $1 million brain and the $1 billion brain run the same chemistry, but different context. $1 million rewards, acquisition. $1 billion rewards, optionality. $1 million plans 5 years ahead. $1 billion plans 50 into the future. $1 million hits dopamine on the supercar. $1 billion hits dopamine saying no to the supercar. $1 million says, I made it. $1 billion says, I can do more. What next out there for me? John D. Rockefeller. Some say he was the richest American who ever lived. At his peak, he controlled about 90% of US oil production. His wealth, adjusted for inflation and relative to the economy, would be worth hundreds of billions today, and some estimates suggest he may have been richer than modern billionaires like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos in relative terms. At 86, he wrote 4 lines that decode the entire chemistry we're talking about in this video. Open quote, I was early taught to work as well as play. My life has been one long, happy holiday. Full of work and full of play, I dropped the worry on the way. End quote. Richest American in history, and his mantra was about dropping the worry. If you approach life the right way, work doesn't have to feel like a burden, and happiness can come from balance and letting go of unnecessary worry. That's not just simple motivation, that's pure brain chemistry. So the question isn't simply how to make more money, it's this. Can you change the context without changing your income? Because it's the same brain, same chemistry, different context. We explored and tested just that. The research says there are 3 phases, and it can start as soon as tonight. Phase 1, deprivation for 30 days. No new purchases over $50. You're resetting the dopamine baseline here. For my testing phase, day 4 felt the absolute worst. On day 11, it flips. After 30 days, a $5 coffee feels like a $50 coffee felt before. Not easy at first, but then your brain gets delivered a 10 times raise. For free. Phase 2 is priming. 10 minutes a day. Visualize the life the money buys. Do not visualize the money. Picture Tuesday morning at 60 years of age. Where do you wake up? Who's next to you? What's the first sound you hear? That dopamine hit, that's mature wanting, a more developed, intentional kind of desire. That's $1 billion chemistry. $0 required. Phase 3, amplification. Some of you will love this, some of you will hate this. Reward the asset, starve the liability, skip the pricey latte, download a proper brokerage app from a reputable financial institution, invest the $7 and watch it land. Then your brain literally hits the dopamine button on the dollars compounding, not on the spending. After 90 days, your chemistry completely flips. Nothing external changed, same income, same world, same brain, same chemistry, but now, different context. $1 million brain, $1 billion brain, same chemistry, different context, worth everything, feeling nothing, but that's the $1 million trap. Put your money into things that grow wealth and cut back on things that drain it. Reward the asset, starve the liability. That's how you build the $1 billion brain at $0. Tell me honestly in the comments, what's the first $10,000 decision you'd make if your brain wasn't lying to you? Drop it below. We read everyone. Smash that subscribe button. Next video is how the rich steal $10,000 from your brain every year. We'll show you the heist. We'll show you the hack. Spoiler alert, phase 1 of the stealback starts before you fall asleep tonight. But first, answer the question. The gold was never actually locked in the vault. It was locked in your chemistry. Same brain, same chemistry, different context. Choose wisely.